Okay, g'day, Rudy here. So just did the gold stocks, so I got to be fair, do the silver stocks. So the silver price, so that was that magnificent run on Friday night. So far looking good. As we'll see from these charts, you want something coming down that breaks to go up. So far so good. Anyway, onto the stocks. So silver and Aussie dollar. So still looks fine. What's the gold silver ratio doing? So that's still below the trend line. So silver still beating gold. A2P mag. That's the ETF to get access to the physical. Adriatic. It's an old producer that's going to be gone, but good to see it's doing things. Good to see fellow brothers doing well. Okay, Manuka. So these are the guys who got got a gold mine going and a silver mine to start up next year, but the costs are a bit high. So it's going to need a higher silver price to giddy up. But still, that's what you want. You want these downward sloping things like these big ones. Down slope up, down slope up. Okay, Poly, as my mate tells me, Poly. So Poly's forming a nice declining channel there. So they're a producer. Half of it's such as silver, zinc. Third of it's about a third of it's silver. 30% silver, and then zinc, lead. So a bit more silver would be nice, but chart looks nice. Okay, so now we've got our developers. I like this one. Good insiders. Good balance sheet. Chart looks nice. I'd be just my opinion. I'd be getting some of that. Boab, the silver lead play. Silver gold play is better than lead, but anyway, it's got silver. Needs to again, this is what you want. Ideally, you want a down sloping channel that gets broken. If it breaks and it goes. So, but it's not the most bullish. Silver mines. So it's got a fantastic cup and handle going on there. Scribe said they're going to announce they've got issues with their getting water or getting approvals. Bloody greenies. But again, ideally you want one of these down bang things. So it's good that it's just consolidating here. So given where it is, I mean, if you get a nice, well, you'll know if it's really true. So when you start seeing this, well, that's a weekly. So if you're like on a daily, so you want to have a nice green candle on a day, and that's probably means they've got it through. Otherwise, Now West Coast Silver, that's looking like it's going to giddy up. So there's that down slope break and going up, not just up slowly sideways. Alcantara, so there's those nice down sloping breaks, down sloping break. They're the ones you want. I'd just be sitting in that. Argent, so nice bullish pennant there. I'd just be sitting in that waiting. IVR, so it's not one of those. You want one of these down, so that's not the best of them. called a Maronin. So it's got the rounded bottom, but it just, well, it's certainly near the bottom, but there's no giddy up there yet. Now this fella here, Mithril, he's making the right moves. Big bull move here into like a flaggy pennant, down sloping wedge thing, break, consolidate, take out highs. It's giddy up time, that one. Sun Silver, I'll put it in the what do you call it, the comment section, or the subscriber place did a research analysis saying they're worth $4. A big push on, they've got antimony in there, and they're $4.50. The issue is their PFS is not due for another, or Q2 2026. So the plus, because with a lot of these stocks, they need marketing so they get their name known, because not everyone's a silver nut like you guys. So, and it has got a nice project, and it's silver, so they've got the bounce today. So yeah, I mean, it's holding above support, so it's not terrible. Unico Silver, so that's starting to get a bit of giddy up. Has that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, about a couple of months been sitting there. Nice green candle today, so you may as well, that looks good. Alright, so and Sil J, we're just waiting for my baby to go off tonight. Alright then, so let us know your thoughts, and keep us updated if you hear anything about these guys. Alright, see ya.